equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on replacing the AC cable of your Thermomix TM21. This process is essential for maintaining the functionality and safety of your appliance. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of wire cutters, and a new AC cable compatible with the TM21 model. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged from the power source. Safety is paramount, so double-check that it's completely disconnected. Now, flip the unit upside down to access the screws on the base. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws carefully. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base off. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. With the base removed, you'll see the internal components of the Thermomix. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Next, locate the AC cable connection. It's usually attached to the power supply board. Carefully disconnect the old AC cable by unscrewing the terminal screws. If you notice any fraying or damage to the cable, it's definitely time for a replacement. Now, take your new AC cable and strip the ends of the wires if necessary. Connect the new cable to the power supply board, ensuring that the connections are secure. Tighten the terminal screws firmly but avoid over-tightening, as this can damage the board. Before reassembling, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a soft brush or a cloth to remove any dust or debris. This will help maintain the efficiency of your Thermomix. If you're unsure about any step, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can assist you in ensuring everything is done correctly. Once you've cleaned the interior, it's time to reattach the base. Align it carefully and replace the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is snug and secure. Now, flip your Thermomix back to its upright position. Plug it in and test the new AC cable by turning the unit on. If it powers up without any issues, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the AC cable. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient service. You can also request a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. In summary, replacing the AC cable on your Thermomix TM21 is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. Always prioritize safety and don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your perfectly functioning Thermomix. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.